Look no further than the 2020 Lincoln Nautilus. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a smooth, well-equipped Nautilus, the midsize two-row luxury crossover that prioritizes passenger comfort and driving pleasure. You'll love its punchy performance and thoughtful use of the latest technology to help you stay connected, focused, and confident so you can make the most of every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, cooled front seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors. Get into this stylish Nautilus and indulge yourself in the luxury you deserve. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.